Howdy, this is Connie from Promotion by the River once again, and today is day 12. I had to go through these boxes and try to get things in order because I couldn't find things. This is the box from Missouri Star Company. Beautiful box. And we are on day 12. Pull that out. This is from Soft Squares, and this is day 12. So I have two packages to open. And let's see, day 12 on Soft Squares, the value is $10. And on Missouri Star Quilt Company, I don't know. They didn't put a list. Okay, are we ready? Soft Squares, day 12. Oh. Hard to open. Okay. It looks like a pattern and mini charms. Oh, that's pretty. It's called Sunbonnet. Lots of cute little 2.5-inch squares and a great pattern with hearts. Beautiful. Day 12. This fabric line is called Sunbonnet, and it is a real treat to see all the soft colors and florals. The designer has made this fun mini pattern just for use with this pattern. And then there are also yardage and panels available at Soft Squares. Oh, that is pretty. There are favorite colors: creams, peaches, lots of teals, and greens. I don't know if you can see them that well. They are pretty. Okay, that was day 12, Soft Squares. Day 12 with the Missouri Star Quilt Company. And I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a bag. Sewing tool organizer. So it's a cute little bag. Empty. Oh, there, you can put your rotary cutters. It's made to put your rotary cutters up there. That's nice. That up. Look at that cute little zipper pull. The little Missouri Star quilt. And what goes on the other side for your scissors. That's nice. That's another thing that would be great if you're going to quilt retreat, anything like that. Great way to carry your scissors and your rotary cutter. So that was what was day 12. I hope you enjoyed seeing them, and make sure subscribe, follow my YouTube channel, and come back tomorrow for day 13. Thank you.